If you are an elite sports person and if you want to get back into the sports quickly within 3 months, then you should opt for all inside ACL reconstruction with fiber tape internal bracing. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Manu Bora and I am an arthroscopic and ACL specialist. Today we are going to talk about one very important topic, that how to get back into the sports quickly after your ACL surgery or ACL injury. So friends, first it is very important to diagnose whether you have a partial ACL injury or a complete ACL torn. If your MRI is showing that you have a partial ACL tear, that can be easily healed by PRP therapy and you will be back into the sports in 1.5 months. But if your MRI is showing that your ACL is completely torn, then you will require an arthroscopic surgery. Arthroscopic surgery is basically a keyhole surgery in which we do very small hole into your knee. We go inside into your knee with the help of a telescope which is known as arthroscope, and we do the surgery with the help of a TV monitor.
यदि आप इस तरह ही हेल्थ के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें ये चैनल द हेल्थ केयर टुडे और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले.
We make your new ACL with your own hamstring tendon. And there are a lot of different ways and fixation devices to fix that new hamstring tendon to your bone so that the whole ACL is done. If your surgery is done by a bioscrew fixation, then the rehab is very long. The world data says that there is almost 30% failure rate in the bioscrew surgery, and you will require at least 9 months to get back into the sport. So if you are an elite sports person and if you want to get back into the sports quickly within 3 months, then you should opt for all inside ACL reconstruction with fiber tape internal bracing. I have already explained about this technique in my previous videos.
यदि आप इस तरह ही हेल्थ के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें ये चैनल द हेल्थ केयर टुडे और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले.
One more very important thing, that the original ACL has blood vessels and nerves, which is very important for your stability, for your knee confidence, and to prevent future arthritis in the knee. So when you are going for an ACL reconstruction and if your surgeon has removed your ACL completely, then it takes a long duration for the nerves to develop again, and sometimes it doesn't develop. So when I do all inside ACL reconstruction with fiber tape internal bracing, I tend to not remove your old ACL. If your ACL is repairable, then we repair your ACL so that we can preserve the nerves and the blood vessels. If it is not repairable, then also we leave a big stump of your ACL so that we can preserve at least few of the nerves and blood vessels, and those nerves and blood vessels will eventually grow into your new ACL graft, and this will prevent future arthritis and you will be back into the game within 3 months. Now comes the role of exercises. So it is very important to know that early you start doing the exercises, early we can start aggressive rehabilitation, the better you will be in the game when you go back into the game in 3 months. So if your surgery is done by all inside ACL reconstruction, then we start heavy exercises like lunges and squats within 2 weeks. We will start bending your knees up to 100 degrees from the day 1 of the surgery, and after 1.5 months we will be starting plyometrics and balance training. In the plyometrics and balance training, generally we can start with a single leg balancing, or you can do single leg squats, or there are many other ways to do it like crisscross running, crisscross jumping, jumping and pivoting. So these kind of exercises we gradually incorporate into your rehabilitation schedule after 1.5 months. But if your surgery is done by screw method, then these exercises will come after 6 months of the surgery, and that's why it takes a long duration if the surgery is done by screw method. That's why it takes almost 9 months to get back into the game. Whereas with all inside ACL reconstruction, you will be back into the game within 3 months. So friends, as I have told you in this video, it is very important that if you want to go back into the game quickly, stronger, faster within 3 months, then we should do all inside ACL reconstruction with fiber tape internal bracing. We should preserve your old ACL stump or whole ACL if possible. And we have to do aggressive rehabilitation so that we do all of these exercises within 3 months of your ACL surgery. Friends, if you like this video, do like and subscribe the channel.